Since the introduction of Restore Skills in our facility, we have noticed a tremendous decline in therapy refusals by patients, as well as an overall increase in patient performance outcomes.
It's very important to switch up the routine with the patients so that Restore helps to do exactly that. And it just needs a computer with a camera. So that will be enough to take it to the patient's room and exercise, and it's kind of a fun and exercise together.
The Restore, naturally, it's an excellent tool to use, especially with our difficult situation with COVID-19, that we're only allowed to treat the patient inside their rooms.
It was fun seeing my family member and also get to interact with them, and they were able to see my improvements as well.
With the various themes and choices in interactive games, our residents have found a way to enjoy the therapy, especially during these trying times.
You can see the significant changes also, and they don't even notice that they were exercising and they're standing for a longer time because they were having fun.
Restore can be one of the tools with the help of a little fun games that you can still achieve your goals. It's basically patient-centered, so whatever goals you have for the patient and the patient like to achieve, you enhance that by using Restore.